Welcome. In front of me is an LG K62 Plus, and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through settings. And to get started, obviously you want to open up settings. From here, scroll all the way down to system, choose reset or restart and reset, and then select factory data reset. This will bring up a little message that performing this will basically remove everything from your phone. Now, probably the most important part would be things like your music, images, documents, and user data. So if there is anything of that sort that you'd like to keep, back it up beforehand, otherwise you will lose it permanently. But assuming you have already done this, or you might not want to, then all you need to do is tap on a reset phone, delete all, and if you have some kind of PIN, pattern, password, you will need to confirm it. I don't, so I can just simply tap on reset, and this will begin the process. Now this will take several minutes, so just be patient, and once it's finished, we'll then be greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, the process is now complete, and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.